Using the Idea Sketch app on the iPad. Once you've launched the Idea Sketch app, go ahead and click on the upper left-hand corner where it says Create a New Idea. I'm going to go ahead and name this one Animals, and you have choices as to what your options are down below that. Once I click Animals and I click Save, this becomes the title of my creation, and you'll notice it tells you the directions to tap on the plus button in the upper right hand corner to add content. So I've done that, and my first item in my graphic organizer is going to be the word animals, and once I click that and click off, and I can move it around by clicking on the item itself and just kind of dragging it around. I can size it if I wish by clicking on a corner and resizing it. If I double tap on it, I can go ahead and make changes. And what I'm going to do here is add a little description, which you're seeing will appear on the actual item. And then I tap off of it and it will appear. So I want to add another piece to my graphic organizer, and so I tap the plus button again, and I'm going to enter, in this case, birds. So once I do, I type in the name. Now I can, if I want to edit it, or I could have done this at the time, but I could change the color, I could change the shape, I could change the font size of the particular item. I have made it a pink trapezoid, and I'm resizing it. Now, as I do this, please note that again, I can move things around and I can resize things as I wish to. But the real strength here is to connect these items together. So let's go ahead and make another one. So I have two separate items, and I'm going to call this one cows. So I will now have on my animals organization cows and birds. And you'll notice it says if I want to link them, I just click and drag between them. So what I did is I tapped my finger in where the center of animals are and dragged it over to birds, and it linked them. And I did the same thing with cows. So now what I have is the ability to pyramid those items under animals. Now let's say that I added something I wanted to do a type of cow. So I can just tap on cows, drag over, and what'll happen is it'll appear connected, and I can add another link, as I have just done with Holsteins. Moving things around, you see how they're all still interconnected as I drag animals and move it around. Add more shapes. Now what if I want to see a different view? In the upper right hand corner, there's an icon that allows you to see this in an outline view. So I can tap that either way, and I can go from the outline view to the organizer view. Up there again, I have the ability to share this if I wish by email, to my social networking, so on and so forth. And that's also where you would get your settings. I hope you